Hello everybody, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nibs Ndlovu and I am your Vitality Rewards coach. Today I've got news for you guys. I'm sharing all my secrets. Yes, I am a top earner in this program. What do I mean? Look at me, I'm in pink. I did 120,000 K from Vitality last year, and this is the total amount I saved last year, 224,000 Ks, you guys, and I am sharing today. So I'm sharing my secrets. How do I get it right? And I'm sure you are here because you want to learn about how to optimize, and I am bringing it all, everything today, you guys. Okay, now please note the foundation of this vitality program lies with the health program, which is the blue side of what I'm going to show you later. Activation of vitality activation gives you 10%. Doing your vitality age gives you an additional 5%. And then doing your health checks gives you 10%. So it's 10 plus 5 plus 10. That's 25%. And a tip from me is I personally prefer doing the vitality health check first and then use the results to do my vitality age. So it's basically 3 events if you are a starter, or 2 events if you are a regular vitality client like me. You can do this vitality age health check in one day. Okay, now we are done with that first 25%. With the care, food, and baby benefits, you can see that from 25%, you will have to engage bank to go higher. So for food, you can get up to 75. We'll unpack this one. We'll also unpack the care and the baby. For fitness device and Nike performance gear and apparel, it's a different story. You've got one additional step to do to get you to 50%, and that is achieve your Vitality Active Rewards exercise goals. So note that, and then from there it is bank that will take you to 75%. All right, now let us go to the bank app and let me show you how to get to the maximum. Okay, let us log on to my banking app. Okay, as you can see, I'm already on diamond status, and so it's important first and foremost, before you engage in any other rewards boosting activities attached to the bank, that you deal with this foundation, the money status. It lays a foundation for all your rewards going forward. So let us go through this, the 5 rings you need to take care of. Let us go through these 5 rings. And yeah, let's go for it. So we're gonna click diamond status, and then on the diamond status we can start with the savings ring. On the savings ring you will have your threshold, which is based on the information you gave bank when you signed up for Discovery Bank. You will see automatic uploads from Discovery products. And then you can add external savings. On the external savings side, I have added my easy equities. However, you can't add easy equities from this point. I'll show you where to add your easy equity investment portfolio. So let's say you want to add your savings investments from other institution. You go to add more, and then you can search for your institution. Let's say, for argument's sake, let's search for ABSA Asset Management, and then let us call it what are we gonna call this one? Let me just go XYZ. XYZ. And then how much did I save on this XYZ thing? I saved 3,000. And then you say done. Then you save these changes. Then you can see that your changes will only be accepted if you attach the supporting documents. And the supporting documents could be already on your phone, or you can scan the document from your hands. Okay. But since this is not true for me, I'm going to delete it. And this is how you add. So all your savings and investments, they can be added here, even if they are outside the Discovery Bank. And then you get out of savings and you go through debt. The debt ring is an easy one. You can't touch it. It is... they get the information from TransUnion. So you will only have to close it. You will have to manage your debt repayments such that they are healthy, and then your ring will beautifully close. So next, okay, there are several steps from my ring to close. And then if you click on the debt box, you can see what I need to do for my ring to close. And then you go to insurance. Insurance, because I am insured with Discovery for my car, my life, and medical aid, my things are already uploaded there. But what if you don't have insurance with Discovery? Like most people don't have car insurance with Discovery. You go there, and then it will be empty, so you're gonna add. Then let's say you are without insurance. You choose outsurance, and then it says you can say BMW, whatever, you can name it whatever you want, and you are paying 155, and then you save. Then your whatever you've added will only be accepted if you have the supporting document to either attach or scan. Since this is not true for me, let me delete it. Then the same can be done with your life insurance. You can choose, let's say Alexander. So you can choose Alexandra Forbes. Same thing we did on the short-term insurance, and then done. Medical aid is quite easy. I can't add medical aid because a person can only have one medical aid. So if you didn't have your medical aid on because you are with, say, Bonitas, you can add your Bonitas medical aid. Call it whatever, CCC, and then the amount you are paying for this medical aid. Okay. Same thing apply. You will have to upload supporting documents for the claims you've made here. And then let's get out of the insurance. Next, we have the retirement ring, you guys. Okay. You need to add your monthly retirement contributions and your total retirement savings. From the two, your vitality retirement age will be calculated. To add your monthly retirement savings, you go here and there is vitality retirement age there. Based on the solutions, you can add, say you are with the government government pension fund like me, and then you can give it a name, VVV, and then you're paying 10,000, and then you save the changes. To support this one, you can easily attach your payslip because that's where your monthly contributions come from, and you can then add the total you've contributed so far. Add same from government, and then call it whatever, and then if you have so far contributed 1 million, you can save, and then all your claims once again will need to be attached or scanned into the system to be approved or verified. Okay, so let's get out of the retirement ring. And then after filling these two, you will have your vitality retirement information recalculated. Okay, so let's go for the property ring. I love this one. Normally you have information that is loaded for you based on what Discovery is able to access from is it Lighthouse? What is it called? I forgot the name. So, but that information normally is not up to date. So I have done my own upload using, if you can open here, I've done my own upload using building insurance because the evaluation there is normally higher and up to date. So I really recommend you if you have information around building insurance, to use the building insurance. The municipal support. Okay, let's see. Here you see you have building insurance, loan statement, and other things you can use to support this one. In fact, I forgot to show you on the other side. We'll go quickly back to the other rings so that you can see the options you have for attaching. All right, same thing this side. So let's get out of here. So if you complete like roughly 4 rings, you get to, in fact, if you complete 2 rings, you get to bronze. You complete 3 rings, you get to silver. You complete your 4th ring, you get to gold. And then to go from gold to diamond, you need to save an amount that I'm gonna quickly show you here, and it is based on your card color. So it is 45,000 for platinum, 100,000 for black, and I'm not so sure about the gold part, but by the time I've done editing, you will be able to see it. Okay, and then let's get out of here. And so this lays a foundation. Your vitality money status now lays a foundation to start building up your cashback rewards towards 75%. So now then you can then go down here and see what happens when how to get to 75%. So let me go to my Woolworths and then open it up. So they are set. It's a pity that it's month end. I've already done my shopping. So to get to 75%, you need to spend minimum 40,000 rand. So at this point, I'm unable to click, and hopefully when I do the edit, I'll be able to show you what happened when you do your other spending down there. Okay, so that is the second part. So the first part is your money status. The second part is then the spending. This spending must happen through your credit card. So let's see what's happening here. You need to have activated healthy food benefit, this and that. This is done on the other side, remember, for the 25%. So all I can say from this point is that the blue is from Vitality Health. So the first one is the 10%, second one is the 5%, and then the other 10%. And then the pink is based on your credit card spending for a month. All right. And then you also have the travel rewards. And if you open, well, today it's talking current, some days it's talking average, and yeah, so the same thing happens here. You need to build it up. I will get the right table to show you what are the thresholds towards 75%. And then yeah, that will be all from the bank side. So outside this part, you then need to know what are your healthy food that will earn you your cashback. What hygiene products from Discount will earn you cashback? What hygiene products for babies and children from Baby City will give you cashback? There is also cashback for fuel if you use the credit card, up to 15% at Shell and BP. Okay, so yeah, and then there is also life cover integrator miles reward. And then this is the, like I said to you, the health part goes a long way for the device booster and the Nike performance gear benefit. It's up to 50%, and then the last 25% comes from your banking. Okay, that will be all for today, you guys. There you go. I've given you everything you need to get your Vitality money status as high as possible, and then to manage your spending such that you use your credit card mostly. This is not a financial advice, but for you to get to higher, it is your credit card. It's the use of the credit card, whether you're using credit or your own money. That is totally up to you, but it must come through the credit card. Did I say get a credit card? No. But did I say the credit card unlocks bank rewards? Yes, I said that. It is the truth. Family, please do subscribe. What are you waiting for? So many of you are not subscribed. Come on.